Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
Welcome to KEC. Welcome to KEC.
Welcome fellows of Kigali-Engineers-College. So it's amazing. So we see if it is the first time, you just make sure to subscribe, comment and share. Don't forget about it. So in front of you there is the gas direct jacketing boiling pan. So it operated by gas and we need the water and the gas. So we see there is the different part. We are going to open and we see how the water flow inside. So there is the main part of this gas direct jacket boiling pan. So the first one, let's start with the. So this is the cover of the main pan. You see, this is the main pan where you put your rice and other things. And also this is the pressure gauge. And the pressure gauge that indicates the pressure inside the jacket. So, and also this is thermal insulator, and this is the controller of the gas. Is the van that allow gas to flow into the burner. And inside here we'll put the cell that help to produce the spark of making the burner, producing the flame. And also this is the valve that allow the water from the source of the water and until to this to fill our main pan, to fill it. So if it is the first time, you just make sure to subscribe, comment and share. Don't forget about it. So let's close it. And you see, this is the main pan valve, this one, that allow to drain the water inside the main pan. And also there are two valves that allow the water entering in the main jacket for boiling it and make a steam. And also there is here the draining of the water inside the main jet. So, and also here there is the gas pipeline, and this is the burner inside that produce the flame to make heat exchanger and boiling the water inside the main jet. So, and the cover. So those are the water flow and the water inlet. Yes. And also here there is the air intake or gas intake, where the gas entering in the device. You just connect the pipe from the source of the gas on this adapter to allow it enter. So if it is the first time, you just make sure to subscribe, comment and share. Don't forget about it. So shall we meet our next session, talk about how you can operate. Thank you so much.